So how do you use fear to your advantage? Well, this is going to be a quick and easy video. I only have about 3 tips that I want to share with you right now to help you overcome fear and use it to your advantage. I can talk more in depth about this in other videos, but right now it's going to be a quick video. So the first tip that I want to give you is to redefine it. Oftentimes fear is placed in our minds to protect us from the possibility of getting hurt, and it can also rob us of the joy of achieving a worthwhile goal. So instead of seeing fear in its original definition, you can redefine it, thus making it a great motivator. So for example, fear in its original definition is an unpleasant emotion caused by the belief that someone or something is dangerous, likely to cause pain or a threat. And that can be switched to the acronym FEAR, F-E-A-R, which is false evidence appearing real. So you can just basically redefine it. Number 2 is realize that life is too short to live in fear. So I looked up some interesting stats here, and it says that 40% of the time we worry about things that will never happen, and 30% of the time on things that we can't change by worrying, and 12% on excessive and unnecessary health worries, 10% on petty unnecessary worries, but only 8% account for real legitimate worries. So 92% of the time we're worrying about things that take up valuable time and prevents success, and it can even cause sickness. So number 3 is to breathe and take action in spite of fear. So look fear in the eye and press forward on your goal by taking action anyways, in manageable doses, of course. So not taking action on your idea means that you're basically accepting the reality that you're not good enough, or that you don't deserve this particular goal that you're pursuing. So you are good enough, my friends. The fear of failure or the fear of success has kept some of the greatest poetry, art, inventions, and anything that's worthwhile in this world that can serve humanity in the dark, because someone decided to just throw the towel in on their life and on their family pretty much. So who knows what life they could have created or impacted by just basically expressing themselves freely. So you shouldn't be frightened by fear, you should be frightened by the inactivity towards that particular dream that you have, or whatever it might be, or limitation. So that's all I have for you today. To your success.